So hello everyone, my name is Divya Sunarkar. In this video, I will share about my AI content generator project, and let's go in the UI direct. This is my UI. Here I give 4 modes like ask, idea, summarize, and definition. So today I will explain about definition. In the definition, whatever user will give, like I want loop definition. When I send the prompt, it will be show the answer, but here is some errors like network error. Otherwise, it will show the our response like a programming constructor that repeats a block of code as long as specified condition is met. Actually, the loop definition is it. So let's go in the code. So this is the HTML part where I give structures, like I create 4 buttons and I give one input box and use the message response chat box. So we are not waste our time and go in the JS part. This is our main JS part where I first targeting the elements like button by the IDs, and here I am storing the API information in the one variable. These functions are work as these functions all is working for the selecting the modes. Like user click on the ask button or definition or summarize, it will be highlight that button and it will be set active button. But means it here is the calling the function. Which function? This function. In this function we are using loop and other function. In this function we are giving the first user click on that button and remove the oldest active button and add in the first remove, then add in the new active button. So after then I will first give user will select the mode, then user will give the prompt, then user will be enter the send button. So here we are in this function we are sending our what prompt. Okay. In the handle prompt we are we are storing our text. In text equals to user input, it means user is giving the user input values. First it will be trim, then it will be check it is text or not. If it is not text, then please write something first, then it show, then after then it is going the next function like which kind of prompt we are sending and which text we are sending in the form of prompt. So in this prompt where is calling it is calling here. So in this function we are giving the extra information, which kind of text we are sending and which kind of messages we want, which kind of messages we are storing from our side and from the AI side. In this function we are storing the texts, and after then the main function is API call or request. I use async function fetch answer, and this means we are using the async function. Async function is work as like it not wait for the first line codes. JS is a scripted language and JS is run line by line. So async is not a one-threaded language. And in try or catch, I use try and catch. Try or catch is a error handlers. In this we are write that code which is more risky. Like I take one response container and I give some information about my API information address and which kind of method I use. I use post, and this is the extra information to the address of the fetching, and this is the main part where is our body is sending, in which part stringify means we our data input is in object form and we are converted in JSON stringify, then we are sending the exactly address. And after then you can see here we are using a condition where if response is not okay, then it will be send error type by the status. And in data we are storing our response in the form of our object. So okay, and result storing our destructuring, extracting our answer. This is the function in these codes are used for destructuring part. After that we getting the answer. If we are getting the answer, then it will be show, otherwise it will be show error fetching response, check API key or network. Okay. Okay, after then we are replacing our text with our thinking text. You can see here in the first time AI will show thinking. So before thinking, after thinking, we got the whatever response, it will be replaced with this function. So thank you for watching.